Igoti-inĩ rĩa Milimani nĩkuo area ya maroketio muthi wa keri thutha wa kurara ceceni ya borithi ya Kilimani. Uria wari gavana wa Bungoma Wycliffe Wangamati agikinywo wa mbere na guthomerwo thitango 27 iria thitangeirwo nacio mari andu 11. Thitango ici ni hamwe na ungumania wa shilingi milioni 10 na 500,000 iria kurerikana Wangamati gavana gatagati ka tariki 25 mwaka wa 2020 na tariki 12 wetandatũ mwaka wa 2021. Kabuni ya waki iria rũgamĩrĩria nene ayo ni a family imwe na gavana na aria onao mathitangĩtwo ni marĩhire gavana ũcio shilingi milioni 10,500 iria ciarĩ imwe cia mbeca cia marĩhi kuma kũrĩ thirikari ya kaunti ya Bungoma kandarathi-inĩ ya waki wa barabara ya Chebas gũthiĩ Kimanda.
Acquired an indirect private interest with a sum of Kenya shillings 10,500,000 shillings paid from Valeria Construction Limited from the monies paid by the county government of Bungoma to Valeria Construction Limited in connection with tender number BGM/CNTY/Wycliffe Wafula true or not true?
Not true.
Makihoya marekererio na bodi kuhitukira wakiri wao Peter Wanyama maugite he umwe wao murwaru na onekinyitie igoti-inĩ na gakari ga gukua arwaru, makiongerera ati namba nene ya aria mathitangĩtwo ni akuma muciĩ ũmwe wa Wangamati na ni ũhoro wa kĩeha. Andu a family imwe mahingĩrĩtwo hakuhĩ othe na nĩo maroretwo igũrũ ni family ciao.
Fourth accused person is a niece, so their nephew. The fifth accused person is their niece. The sixth accused person is a nephew. The seventh accused person is a cousin. The eighth accused person is also a cousin.
That there were some contracts. There is no nexus between, in the law of subcontracting, there is no nexus between the county government and these contractors at all. So they were all subcontracts.
Nake gavana wa Bomet Hilary Barchok arekereirio na bodi ya shilingi milioni 15 kana mbeca baribari milioni 5 hamwe na Evans Kipkoech uria ni murugamiriri munene wa kabuni iretwo Chemasus mambĩkĩirwo thitango 7 cia ungumania. Mwe yacio ari kwamũkĩra shilingi milioni 2 kuma kabuni yoĩkaine ta Chemasus. Mbeca iria irerikana ciarĩhĩtwo kabuni iyo ithondeke barabara ya Kimenderit gũthiĩ Koitobek hamwe na daraca ya Olbutio.
He has no intention of interfering with any of the witnesses. He is keen to have this matter proceed expeditiously so that his innocence can be confirmed by this honorable court.
Mwerekera uria macira maya meri mekuoya ukamenyeka tariki 18 na tariki 17 mweri uyu wa kenda muthenya uria macira mau makagwetwo. Riri komishoni ya kurua na ciiko cia ungumania bururi-ini EACC ithingereirie ireka maya mothe gutigirira ni yarua na ciiko cia ungumania thirikari-ini cia matura. Ngiribotera Inooro TV kuma igoti ria Milimani muciĩ munene wa Nairobi, njĩtagwo Jenga Wambui.